everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and if you want to know how I got this warm tan eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. Alright, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this warm tan eyeshadow look. Don't forget, I have a giveaway on my channel right now. It was uploaded the 26th of last month. And yeah, you still have time to enter, so don't forget to check out that video. I used 4 of the products creating this eyeshadow look. I used the Morphe 3502 palette. I used the Morphe setting spray. I used the Too Faced Hangover primer, and I also used the Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!